Hello viewers, I have been using Samsung Galaxy Fit 3 Smart Band for a couple of months and I have mixed usage reviews or mixed opinions about this smartwatch or smart band actually. During my usage I have received 2 updates from Samsung and the updates are really good, I would say. Actually the battery life has increased a lot after the recent update that I have got about 1 week ago. With the smart band you will get more new watch faces. Actually I have installed a new one. This was not available when I bought this is smart band. This is also new, so you can store up to 10 watch faces in your Fitband 3, and if you want to download more you can do so by going to the Wearable app. In the Wearable app Samsung have added many more watch faces after the new update, but in the watch or in the Fitband 3 you can store up to 10 watch faces. After that you have to delete existing one to download a new one from Wearable app. Here you can see that I am installing a new watch face on my Fitband 3 and actually all the watch faces look very good on this Fitband 3 as it comes with a 4cm AMOLED display, and Samsung AMOLED is the best in class as you all know. Also with every watch face you will get always on display, so it will give a new look to your Fitband 3. As you can see here I have downloaded this watch face and it looks very good, though the screen size is little bit smaller. As it is a Fitband you cannot complain much. Plus you are getting a Fitband 3 from Samsung under the price bracket of 5,000 rupees, so that is also a great thing. Here you can see that you can manage your watch faces like this, and you can also delete if you don't like a watch face, and you can download up to 10 watch faces at the same time. Whenever I feel bored from this smartwatch I actually change the watch face and then a new refreshing look appear, and I feel very happy after installing the latest or new watch faces from the Wearable app. Actually there are lots of watch faces that will give a new look to your Fitband 3. As you can see here, tons of watch faces are there inside the Wearable app. Black watch face actually look better on this Fitband 3 and this is my personal favorite. Also you will get always on display like this, so it will give a refreshing look. Apart from watch faces you have many more options in the Wearable apps. You can change or customize the quick panel settings. Also there are tiles, you can adjust or you can delete the tiles according to your need. Plus you can also do many more things like app screen. These are the app screen apps. Okay, it will appear in your Fitband 3. After that there are band settings. You can customize the band settings, notification, vibration, display and many other things. Some of the users actually wanted to know about the GPS performance of this Fitband 3, but I am very sad to let you know that this Fitband 3 doesn't have inbuilt GPS. It actually relies on the GPS of the mobile, so you have to be connected with the Bluetooth and then it will makes use of the GPS of the smartphone and give you data as per your location. However, fitness related tracking like blood pressure monitor, oximeter and stress monitor are actually very good on this Fitband 3. As this Fitband 3 comes with 500 nits of brightness, you will feel it very bright even outside. Now talking about the battery life of this Fitband 3, I am actually getting a very good battery life. I have used it for 3 days continuously. My usage pattern is actually 6 hours a day with always on display on, so I get a battery life that is very good. As you can see here, 62% battery is left. But some users are complaining that they are not getting good battery life from this Fitband 3. So if you are planning to buy this Fitband 3 you can buy this when there is a offer. During offers you can buy this Fitband 3 at a price point under 4000 rupees. So if you want to know about the latest deals on this Fitband 3, stay subscribed. I will let you know when there is an offer on this smart band. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.